Welcome to my sketching tutorial. This is a great practice to improve your drawing skills. For sketching, I'm using the dry ink brush from the Icon group, but feel free to use whichever brush you prefer. Start with a very loose circle for the head. Now add another circle for the belly. Join your circles together to get the overall body shape. Next, draw a cross on the face. This will help us with the placement of the eyes and nose. Indicate the paws. Think about their size. Do you want them big or small? It's totally up to you. There will be another paw here. On my Patreon, I've included a few references to help you understand the position, angles and shapes better. Keep your sketch really loose, just basic shapes. Now let's add a big fluffy tail. And big ears. You can adjust them however you like. You can always erase, redraw or make little tweaks. This is your base, so take your time. Add a rough face so we know the position and angles. I don't really like how the tail overlaps the ear, so let's fix that. If you want to adjust something, tap on the lasso tool, circle the part of your drawing and then use the arrow tool to move it. I flipped mine to get a better look. You don't have to erase everything, just draw over parts you don't like. Here is my favorite Procreate trick. Tap on the magic wand, go to Liquify and select the push option. You can literally push and adjust your sketch without redrawing everything. I use this tool all the time. Now go over the lines you really like and draw them stronger to define the final shape. You may still change things later, but sketching over and over helps build confidence and makes it clear which lines you want to keep. It might look messy right now, but that's exactly what we want at this stage. You can even try changing the face to see what looks better. If you don't like it, just hit the reset and it will go back to the original. Once you are happy with your loose sketch, check the overall size and placement. Adjust a little here and there if needed. Let's move on the second sketch. Lower the opacity of your first sketch. Create a new layer below and start drawing over. Try to be more precise this time, not messy, and make adjustments as you go. This air looks a bit too high, so I will fix that. That's it for today. Let me know how it went and share your creation with the world. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share and leave a comment. It really helps. You can try different poses, experiment with other animals, or check out part 2 of this tutorial, where we continue with color. All the details are below the video. See you next time!